Snap. Quality. Quality, quality, quality. These replica companies do it every time. They got that new shoe smell. Y'all know we love that new shoe smell. These are freaking bomb. Like, can we talk about it? Make sure y'all subscribe now because y'all gonna love it here. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra and I'm coming to you with another replica shoe unboxing video, y'all. I just want to give my disclaimer as always. Go check out some of my other replica videos if you're just worrying about getting scammed. Y'all, this is a trustworthy channel. I just like to put y'all on genuinely onto affordable items, all that stuff, replica shoes, replica items in general. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Third, for my disclaimer, if you don't like replica videos, just click off the video. This video is not for you. I'm gonna have all the information on this company in the description box down below, as well as on the screen. If I have a coupon code, it will also be down in the description box down below and on the screen as well. We about to just get straight into it. Y'all, these are from a company called foryoushoes.ru. They sent over some Jordan 1s. These are the Retro High Bred, the red toe. They did come via FedEx Express. So they did come in a black bag taped up. Inside the black bag is this cardboard box. Y'all already know what's up with the cardboard box. And then they did come bubble wrapped as well, just to protect the shoes through shipment. So they did come in bubble wrap. Boom, y'all. Here are the shoes, y'all. Here's the top of the box. Here's the side of the box. I did get these in a size men's 7. And then here's the bottom of the box, you guys. So let's just get straight into it. So when I open my box, y'all, it's looking like this. Right off the bat, I see a StockX sticker. Again, I love when companies send StockX information because it just makes the whole experience feel a little bit more authentic. Here is the StockX sticker that you will receive with your shoes. And then I did receive some Adidas socks, which look pretty good actually. That was nice of them to include these. Then I do see the StockX card, the StockX note. Here it is, y'all. And then here is the back of the card. I also see 3 receipts. Y'all know I like to zoom past them just to save time. First receipt, which looks something like this, y'all. This is the first receipt. And then this is the second receipt. Y'all, most replica companies do a really good job of making the QR codes match the website. So you should be able to scan that code. It'll take you to the Nike website. And here is the last receipt, y'all, which is the biggest one. Sometimes I have to look, y'all, because they be falling, but here is the StockX tag here, and it does have a QR code on it. So you also receive that with your shoes. You do get your regular old white tissue paper. Snap. Quality, 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 quality. Quality, yes. Quality, y'all. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, y'all, let's just get into it because I'm shocked already, as y'all can see from my initial reaction on the shoes. Again, these videos are to put y'all on, okay, to affordable, because come on now, if you can get it for a fraction of the price and it be the same quality, if not better, why wouldn't you save a coin? Period. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. They look so good, y'all. But y'all, these are freaking like, can we talk about it? Can we really talk about them? Y'all, these look so good. This is the tongue. It's black with the red Nike Air, and this tongue feels really good. These are really great quality, y'all. Here's the other side of them. They look so good. And then they do come with a little thing, y'all already know, to keep it shape. I'm in awe. These replica companies do it every time. Y'all know I say it all the time because it's like, it couldn't be far from the truth. I kid y'all not. I'm like, review or not, babe, these are bomb. And I'm just gonna come out and say it. I don't know how much these originally retail for, but y'all know ones can be like a few $100s. So to get them for a fraction of the cost, make sure y'all hit up For You Shoes, period. I will have all the information down below because I kid y'all not, these have a beautiful weight to them. They got that new shoe smell. Y'all know we love that new shoe smell. This is what the inside of them are looking like. It just says that they are a men's size 7, and then it does say Nike Air on the inside with the swoosh, and then you also do get that tag there. Let's get into the bottom because baby, these are so bomb. Look at these, y'all. They're looking very much so real, if you ask me. Like, they're so bomb. They did such a good job with the overall construction of this shoe. They're super duper sturdy, y'all. Nothing cheap about them. I'm telling y'all, these replica companies be using the same products. They be using the same freaking products to create these shoes. I don't care what nobody say, because ain't no way a replica shoe feels and looks this good. You see what I'm saying? Like, get into the texture of this leather. Replica wear. Replica wear. It's that new shoe smell for me. So they do actually come with an extra pair of shoelaces, which is super duper nice. You do get some in red. Y'all, I 10 out of 10 recommend these. These are so freaking bomb. Shout out to For You Shoes, because they are the ones providing me with these shoes so I can provide y'all with this content and provide y'all with this quality. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I do be styling and profiling from time to time with all my items that I get sent. It should be in one of these corners. If not, it's always in the description box down below. Yes, y'all, these are bomb. For You Shoes, thank y'all. Y'all did y'all thing with these. I 10 out of 10 again recommend these. I love this colorway of these ones. It's the black, white, and red combination for me. I just reviewed some 4s that are black, red, and white, and they were also bomb. Check that video out. I told y'all I have a lot of shoe unboxings coming, and I'm literally bulk recording, so it's just back to back with them. Like, they have that weight to them. They have that feel of just quality. They got that smell. Not a stitch out of place. Like, they look so good. Make sure y'all subscribe now, because y'all gonna love it here. I already said it. Y'all gonna love it here. These are so super duper bomb. Like I said, amazing quality, you guys. Tap into For You Shoes. Shout out to you guys for sending me these shoes. Again, y'all will have everything in the description box down below. All right, y'all, before we get into the shoe cam, I just wanted to show y'all the shoes are laced up. This is what they're giving, laced up. They look really good. And I'm also not sure if I showed y'all the inside of the tongue. I believe I showed y'all the inside already, but yes, y'all, this is what they're giving. Bomb quality. Let's get into the foot cam. Alright, y'all, I think this is just the cutest little outfit ever. I just have this little tank top on. I have some black Fashion Over jeans, my little red Prada bag, and then the start of the show. Tell me this outfit ain't just the cutest. Y'all know I have to include one outfit idea in all of my videos, because that's just the way I like to record them. So yeah, this is the little outfit, y'all. Make sure y'all go check them out. These are so bombs. Really good quality. I 10 out of 10, matter of fact 100 out of 10 recommend these. Like, the quality is out of this world. But yeah, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.